Hello everyone, it's just Keisha. Today I'm just going to be doing an unboxing video from Waxness. I am currently using the Waxness Amethyst Soft Wax. Let's see. One second. See if I can get it out. Okay. I got it hot. Okay. So I'm using Waxness Scentsy Clear Amethyst. Okay. Put that back. Oh my god, it's hot. Be careful. Okay, yeah, so I am using that one. I did start using it because in a waxer on Instagram was using that one, said she liked it, so I started using that one, but it is very stringy. Like when I do pull it, there's just a long string that's just, yeah, it's just messy. So I was kind of doing a little research and seeing which ones had like less stickiness and less stringiness, so I'm kind of going to just be doing some testing. Doing some trial and error, but I think I ordered like 6 different soft wax cans, not the amethyst. Okay. So I did get some eye gel patches. This is for me. These were a free sample, so. And then also got some more wax strips. I got 3. Where's the other 2? Did I not? Okay, I guess. Okay, so first one I got here. This is the marine blue. Second one, oh, I guess I did get it just in case I don't like them. The Scentsy Clear Amethyst. So I didn't even have to grab the hot one. Did that shit for nothing. And then I have Azuline. This is the zinc oxide. Zinc oxide. And then the natural. I did see somebody on Instagram say they did like this one, so I might like this one. This one might be my new one. And then lastly, olive oil. Okay, so I think, which one should I try first? I am going to use all of them. So let's do least likely that I'm going to like to most likely. We'll do that. I don't know. Let's do, ooh, this one. The olive oil one says ideal for short, coarse hair and sensitive skin. Let's try this one. So we'll put this one in the warmer and we'll see how that goes. And shoot, my client's going to be in like 5 minutes. So I might do some videos on like maybe an eyebrow wax, underarm wax, leg wax. I'm iffy on the Brazilian because, you know, YouTube doesn't like that type of stuff. But I mean, shoot, I don't know. I'll figure it out. So put this one in the warmer and we'll see how it goes. Alright, so I did get this Waxness wax pot specifically for my soft wax. And so I will be, I'll put the flash on. I will be using the olive oil. Turn that on. And I'm just going to put it all the way to the max. Let it melt for maybe like 20 minutes. I think my client's here. Ooh. Ooh, it's creamy. Whoa. Okay, well, I don't want to waste all that wax. Let's just let that melt and then I'll take it off. All right, so it's been melting for, I'd say 20 to 30 minutes. And I'm pretty sure, oh, wow, it's nice and creamy. I should test this on myself. Let's turn that down actually then, and then I'll test myself because I don't trust that. Test to 80. And we'll let it sit for maybe like 10 minutes and then we'll come back. All right, so I think what I'm gonna do is test it out on my fingers. I think yeah, there we go. You can kind of see. I have a little bit of hair on my fingers. I'm trying to focus the camera. Yeah, I have a little bit of hair, so this is a good way to test the quality of the wax because hair on the fingers are very, very stubborn and very difficult to get up. So what better way to test it than on the hardest piece on the body? Okay, so let's see. I'm gonna just get a little bit, a little dab. All right, start this way. That spreads nice and smooth. And this will also help me test out the stringiness too. So what I was experiencing is like if I, for example, put the wax strip right here and then I pulled, because it's connected to this part of the wax, it would leave a string. So we'll see if that happens. 1, 2. Oh, look at that, no strings. And we got some hairs. So far so good. And I'll do this one. Smooth and rip. You know, I actually don't even feel anything. Look at that. All right, let's do these fingers, and then I'm also gonna do my toes because that's been overdue. Don't judge me. Don't judge me on what it looks like. Okay. This is for content purposes. Do I have anything on my pinky? I do. Okay. All right. Let's smooth that. Nice thin layer. And then on the pinky. I don't have anything on my thumb. Smooth, smooth, rip. Okay, that one I felt. Oh yeah. I had a lot more hair. All right, now Mr. Pinky. This little pinky. Ow. This one kind of got smushed in there, but it actually got everything. And I had some short hairs in my pinky as well, and I actually got it up. There we go. Wow, it actually got everything. I don't even need a tweeze. That's crazy. All right, so after that, let me get a paper towel real quick. So after I finish with the soft wax, I just put a little bit of oil. So I like to use grapeseed oil, or use my ingrown potion from Waxing Lovely. So I'll just put a couple. Oh my god, it's running out. Please. Okay, whatever. It's just my fingers. So this is just to get rid of the stickiness and to also bring some moisture back into the skin after waxing. And this also helps remove any leftover wax residue. There we go. That is one beautiful hand. Okay, so now we'll do my toes. All right, my feet are looking a little rough, so do not judge. This is for scientific purposes. And also because I really need to wax these. It's atrocious. So, I'm gonna put a thin layer of wax there. That's not thin. Well, maybe it just, probably just looks like that because it's really creamy. I'm kind of scared. It's okay though. It's okay though, you know why? Because it's too late. Okay, and 1, 2, 3. Ooh. Damn, Chewbacca. Now we're just gonna get the rest. So just smooth rip, smooth rip, smooth rip, smooth rip. Look at that, nothing. I even got an extra hair. Okay, now we're gonna do the other foot. All right, here we go with the last toe. This one, I'm gonna try to lay it as thin as possible. There we go. So let me just smooth, smooth, and then rip. Ow. There we go. These are long, my God. I've been letting myself go. Oh my God, my client's here. This always happens.